Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
I'm Dr. Anjali,
Okay.
and welcome to Pharma Tech. And
Thank
it's
you.
really a great pleasure to have you with us today. So, just couple of questions for you regarding the conference that we have today. Starting with my first question, it's about like everyone is talking about the AI agents right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
So, where exactly do we draw a line where we should only focus on AI, or what AI should decide, and only where the human should intercept?
Okay. So I think for pharma specifically, it should be more of explainable AI, not agentic AI. Agentic AI is very process driven.
Yes.
So complex processes it can solve very easily. And in every step, for example, if you are setting up a clinical trial, though AI will give you results, you must check all the results. You must match the proteins, you must match the profiling and everything. It will give you faster results for sure. But if humans will not check, AI will hallucinate for sure. It is learning like a toddler.
Yes.
Whatever you have taught it, it will learn.
Definitely, ma'am. That was really insightful. Just quickly, another question. So, what's the biggest myth in the business industry, or especially in healthcare industry? Do we feel that AI is actually, booming, but is actually making the business slow down?
Well, trials, when you are strategizing to use your money
Yes, definitely.
without having the real data in place
Yes.
and without understanding that cool AI will not solve all problems, you need to have a proper strategy. Your data should not be siloed and your story has to stitch together.
Yes.
So if your AI workflow doesn't match your strategy doesn't match your data, then it will certainly fail. It is bound to fail.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, yeah.
That was something we should really focus on.
Certainly. I
Yes.
mean, you should strategize properly about your ROI.
Yes, ma'am.
It can be a number, it can be a result that you're
Yes.
focusing on. But if your ROI is clear, then your workflows, your story will stitch together better. Otherwise, you will end up in, feeling
Yes,
very
ma'am.
sad about whatever you've done.
So, ma'am, it's like we shouldn't just follow the trend just because it's happening. We should actually see
Yeah.
if whether it is beneficial for us or not.
Yes.
Something
Yes.
like
See, at this stage, I think we are spending billions of dollars in drug
Yes, ma'am.
discovery. If we add AI, it'll be few more billions. It's like if
Yes.
it's 8 billion, it'll be 80 billion tomorrow
ma'am.
because AI is very expensive. So hence you need to look at very deeper usage of AI in every aspect of it and make sure that humans check for sure.
Yes, ma'am. Well,
Yeah.
thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
It
you.
was really great interacting with you.
Same here.
We had Ms. Rubel Sabarwal with us. Thank you so much for joining.